Welcome on this channel, Income Models and Management. We want to let you know what model is all about. If you look at the icon on the screen, you see model. The model entails the details. Currently, we have 5 passive income model in our article, which is available to you when you click the icon on the screen. The icon is titled model. You will read the 5 income models, passive income model, legitimate models that are available for you online. Today I want to be encouraging you to desist from wasting your hard-earned money on Ponzi schemes, things that you invest and you don't have control over. I have said it before. In this modern world, if you have access to your smartphone, you have access to laptop, you don't need to be broke. That is why we have compiled these income models and made them available to you free of charge, that you may know the available channels where you can invest your money and have return of investment. On this video, I'm going to be introducing to you one of the things we wrote on this article on a system called CREFI. And CREFI is a product of a credit company. They are currently the owner of credit. They just launched their blockchain on the 2nd of September this month. CREFI is a product that is designed to give you passive income. When you buy this CREFI and put in your wallet, your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask, it begins to mint new coin for you. And the more coin you have, the more it produces for you. And you can sell them at any time of your choice. You are 100% the owner. You control it. No one else has access to it. It's purely yours. This is not help me to invest. It is do it yourself way of investing. So when you buy this CREFI, you will be able to see how it is reproducing every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes it is reproducing, every 15 minutes it's compounding as well. So it is auto everything, it does everything for you. All that is required is for you to know the quantity you need to have. The more quantity you have, the more money you make. And you begin to see these things increase on daily basis. And the good thing is that you can sell this coin at any time you want to sell. You can decide to sell your profit. You can decide. So I am going to be telling you how to add this particular product into your Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Stick around and watch practical how I first of all put this particular product into my MetaMask or the MetaMask or Trust Wallet using the smart contract address. So stick around as we do. We want to practically take step by step on how to add this product into your Trust Wallet. We are using Trust Wallet to run this specimen for you to see how to practically do this. Like I told you, all that we'll be showing you on this channel is do it yourself type of investment. You need just little technical help for you to do it yourself, and this is one of it. Now you can see you are already in your Trust Wallet and you want to add this product that will be minting for you automatically. Now all you need to do is to click on this icon, add tokens. The moment you click on add tokens, look up here at the top right of your screen. You will see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign. The moment you click on the plus sign, you see network. Under the network, you see Ethereum. Click on the Ethereum. Change the network into BNB Smart Chain. The moment you have done this, you are close to finishing the job. Already you have copied the smart contract, because you cannot activate any product on your MetaMask or Trust Wallet without the smart contract. So already I have copied the smart contract at the contract address of the token I want to add into my Trust Wallet. Now all I need to do next is to click paste. At the moment I click paste, you can see it appears, the details of the product appears. Then the next thing I should be looking out for is to click done. Once I click done, the token is automatically added to my wallet. Now all I need now is to head straight to where I can buy this product into the wallet. Remember, now I have added it. You can see in the list of the tokens available here, it is the last one now, that because I've added it. So now the next thing that should be bothering you now is how then will you buy? You can buy this token as simple as it sounds, but the first thing you should do is to source for BNB, Binance Smart Chain. Once this token, you must have it, because that is the only currency you can use to buy any other currency in your Trust wallet or in your MetaMask. Now, how do you do this? The moment you have your BNB in your Trust wallet, click on browser. You see browser here. Click on browser. It will take you to a browsing interface. Now here you are looking for PancakeSwap.finance. You can see PancakeSwap.finance. This is exactly all you need at this moment. The PancakeSwap.finance. Then you send it. The moment you send it, you are going to be seeing up here that the network that you are using now is Ethereum. So click on this icon of Ethereum and change it to Binance. Now you are good to go. The next thing you should do is to connect your wallet to this particular PancakeSwap. Click connect. Once you click on connect, you are using Trust Wallet. So click more and go to Trust Wallet. If it's MetaMask that you are using, you click MetaMask. Now you can see asking me to confirm if I want to allow the PancakeSwap to have access to my wallet. I say connect. That is yes. Now I have authorized the wallet to have access to my funds. That is exactly how it works. That is exactly how it works. Giving access. Sorry, I'm being interrupted by some calls because I run these tests with a smartphone for it to be easier for you. But then the next thing you should be doing is to look down here on the first icon. You see trade. Click on trade. When you click on trade, you wait a while the thing loads. You can see this is where you can buy and sell any token at all, not just CREFI, not just any token at all. This is where you can buy and sell them. Now what do you do? Now what we want to buy is CREFI. Now you click on this icon cake, you change it to CREFI. How do you put the CREFI into this particular PancakeSwap? The smart contract you have copied already, you need to paste it here. Paste the smart contract, the contract address of the product you want to buy. You can see it's already out. Click import. Click import. Sorry for that. I'll take the call immediately after this. Now click import. I understand, and then the import. The coin is now automatically imported into your PancakeSwap, and that is all you need to begin to trade this particular token. Let's give it time. Okay, now it is ready. You see why I asked you to, sorry on that. You see why I ask you to buy BNB. I don't mean you have one BNB, you want to buy a CREFI worth of 1 BNB, you just click 1. And as you can see, when you have 1 BNB, you are buying 6,614 CREFI with 1 BNB. If you don't want to buy up to 1 BNB, you can put 0.1. You can put 0.1. Any quantity of the coin you want to buy, you are at liberty to put the range of what you really want to buy. Nobody directs you, nobody tells you how to spend your hard-earned money. Now, the next thing for you to do, because every coin has what is called slippage. For this particular token, the slippage is 18. So you go to this place and change the slippage to 18. That is the slippage of this token. The moment you have changed the slippage, you are good to go. The next thing is to swap. Sorry, the wallet did not connect when I did it. Trust wallet, why is it not authorizing? Trying to connect the wallet so that you see what's actually supposed to come out on the screen. Now, I think there are a little issue connecting the wallet at this time, but when you have successfully connected your wallet, what you will see here is swap. Click on the swap, confirm it, and you will see the BNB gone from your Trust wallet, and you see this one CREFI inside your wallet. Now, for you to know, there are tax that is being deducted from your CREFI each time you buy or sell. So as you can see, one CREFI is giving 6,614, but when it enters your wallet, it might be 5,000 something or 6,000 little, but it will not be exactly how it is on the screen due to the tax that is being deducted. So with this, I want you to comment on the comment section if you have tried this and it works for you. If you have not tried it and there are other things you want to know, communicate us through the comment section. Click on the model icon to get to the article where you can read the 5 income models that we have made available for you. You can also reach us direct through our contact details in the model. So thank you. At this time, let's move to the next stage. If you have learned something from that tutorial, thank you so much for joining us. Share with your friends, subscribe to this channel so that any other post we make, you will be informed about it. If there is anything you want to see on this channel, comment on the comment section. Based on your comments, you'll be seeing more of our posts that are related to what you want to see on this channel. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, like, comment, that we may know what you need on this channel. Thank you so much. Bye for now.